Okay, so this is the main part of the project. There's been a roof leak in this old barn for quite some time, and it's taken out this corner post. This is one of the original corner posts, is why I'm calling it a corner post. This lean-to wing was added at some point, so we are going to rebuild this whole end. This is the west end of the building, and replace that 8x8 corner post. This is an old hand-hewn barn. We're in central Illinois right now. Hand-hewn, and this piece of property was first homesteaded in 1854, and parts of this barn actually date to the 1850s. Now it's been reconfigured and repaired and added on to, so it's a little bit difficult to say if it's the original barn built in 1854 or if it was an older barn that they moved onto this place in the 1850s or 1860s. I really have no way of knowing, because parts of it are original and parts of it are not. But it's a neat old barn, so we would like to save it. At some point that post was cut out and they cobbled up a truss, and surprisingly enough it's been holding. We probably won't mess with that right now. I'm just gonna try to video some of this, so yeah. This is day 2 of the project. We've got quite a bit of the initial demolition done, and we are in the process of supporting the structure so that we can remove the post. There was a lot of rotten wood to deal with, and as is typical when you have to replace a major member of a frame, everything that connects to it is also typically suspect. In this case, everything that connected to it was in fact rotted.
post in. But as you can see, we got it. It just took some wiggling and jacking and prying, and it put right into place. And then I rebuilt this thing yesterday, and it's all braced off like this right now, and we're not going any further right at the moment because we got some severe weather coming in. So I don't really want to take any more of the building apart, and we've got to take some more apart to do more rebuilding. So right now we just temporarily braced everything off the best we could. I hope it'll withstand the 50-mile-an-hour winds we're supposed to get. And we're working on the girt replacements. And with the girt repairs, we're just doing a simple half lap and screwing it with structural screws into the outside. You probably have to get up on the scaffold to really see that. But we're able to do those with the post in place, which simplified things.